These lasagna chips will be your new favorite snack innovation. It's pretty delicious. And what's best is that it's so simple to do. Just cook the noodles according to package directions. And cut the cooked lasagna into triangles like nacho cut. And then guys, heat the oil in your pan. And when the oil is already hot, add the lasagna a few at a time. Fry it for 1 minute in a medium to high heat till golden brown. And then guys, set it aside and sprinkle some parmesan or some salt. Now, let's prepare our simple Bolognese sauce with these ingredients. Put some oil in a pan, heat it up, and add ground pork or you can use beef. If the pork is already brown, add the white onions until caramelized. Put on garlic and saute till fragrance comes out. Then just add all the remaining vegetables and cook it for 2 minutes. Add tomato sauce and water, then season it with salt and simmer for 30 minutes. Now place the ragu in a baking container and add white sauce. Top it with mozzarella cheese and sprinkle with parmesan and dried basil and bake for 20 minutes in 200° Fahrenheit. Ready to serve na ang ating lasagna chips with cheesy Bolognese dip. Don't be surprised if you see and find out that your chips and dip are gone. That would be understandable. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!